So this is the OCC Hi-Fi. There was nobody here because they're just showing some cables. They don't have headphones and they don't have the people here. Maybe he was go for a smoke, Mr. Lai. Here was the Ronco acoustic and translucent. The Ronco audio is making some audiophile cables and the connectors. And the translucent, they are making some combo earphones. Very special structure. This is the flash acoustic. They are making cables and also they are sell cables here.
真係冇啊！真係冇。好，攞住咗入機。
This is the T17. They are Arcolink, Joe J and Link Smith. They are making cables and some connectors. And also it seems that they have shown some new earphones from Arcolink. The bonus audio, so they are from the legends and epics. Of their inspiration, they are making some cables, different kinds of cables. And this is the effect audio from Singapore. They are making some cables and some headphones. But this time they are mainly showing some cables. They are not showing some earphones. Here is the yawns. Maybe they are making some cables. A lot of different cables by there. So here was also a showcase the T16, which is also making audio cables. The T9 is named Takuge. And maybe also
做咗仲分啊！
This is the 10 Hertz, which name is a solution company of balanced armature earphones. They are making some metal works. Yeah, so you can see the little dragonfly. They are metal modeling or CNC. They are making all kinds of metal products. Very dedicated. So we can see here is some earphone body. They are made by metal. Beautiful finishing. And for large sized headphones. Very kind to make metal parts. This is the Peacock Audio. They are making beautiful artworks. So we can see they are in different color and flowing, shiny. Yeah, they are showing some discs. They are selling albums. So we can see some album here. It's very special. It was not a showroom of the audio products, audio songs. So we can see this. It's very special. Cross CD. And they show with a set of speakers. Here is the company which showing some technology of 3D print. They are not making earphones, but they are making some cuts of earphones, such as the housing. You can see very huge earphone housing. it shows more technical things in this exhibition. And here was the next one. They are making some radio products for elderly people. They are live.
Left channel, right channel, left.
This is the showcase T15, and this is the Gu Craftsman. They are making dedicated audio-view cables, so we can see a lot of in different socket type and different connectors. And here shows their cable ports here. So here is the phone lab. They are showing the 3D print for making earphones, headphones, even the custom monitors. And they show their brand is the UFO ears. So here is TV. They are making loudspeakers, and now they are working on personal audios. So they have headphones, true wireless, and some small products. Here is also the new audio magazine. So here was very special unit of the exhibition is that listening versus, so it will be have a versus. If you want to, so it will be divided. If you are the normal ear, golden ear, or silver ear, so they are having the competition with a lot of devices and a lot of bonus. So we can see this man. Oh, Guangzhou, hello. Yeah, okay, we'll go to have a view for other